Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this Ring stick-up camera battery. So here's everything that comes in the box. The first thing you're going to want to do is charge the battery. And it also has the mount. The mount is right here. You're just going to pull it down. We can mount this somewhere on the wall, or you can just have it sit right there on the table. It is adjustable. But let's take this plastic off first. Get this one off, and there's another one right on the lens. Make sure we get that off too. Okay, around back, you're going to rotate this line to the unlock. It can be a little hard to rotate, but just unlock it to the unlock, and then you got to kind of pull it off. There is a piece of paper that's blocking the battery from activating. So we got to pinch this tab and pull it out. It can be a little harder because there's that paper in there. But pull it out. We need to remove this. Now we need to charge the battery. So it does come with a cable. You got to plug it into a USB outlet. Now, with both lights are on, that's a micro USB also. With both lights on, that means it's charging. When the amber light goes out and the green light's on only, that means it's fully charged. Again, this will only go one way, micro USB. There's a short side and a long side. And then you plug it in. Okay, after your battery is fully charged, you're going to insert it, and it might click a little bit. You want to make sure you hear that kind of little click. It doesn't fall out. Now you will be needing to scan that QR code to set it up in your Ring app. But we got a blue light on. Let's go ahead and I'm going to just install it so I can get some measurements. Okay, so it does come with some mounting screws. It comes with security screws, but I don't think you need them for this one. I don't see a place for them. Now the bottom of this mount is a little rubbery, so this might be better. Again, you're always going to point it up, and there's an up. So you match the ups. Up, up, start right here off to the side. It goes in flat, and then it pushes up. So again, that is a rubber mount. So if I was going to stick it on the table, I would do that so it's nice and steady. Again, this is battery operated. I don't have a cable. It stands 4 3/4, and it's a 2 3/8 inch circle. Now, if you do mount it to the wall, and you don't have much of a room to move it, you can turn it, but it might be best just to put it on the table or something you want. Now, this is indoor, outdoor, so it is weatherproof. And it's got these little plugs on the back. Okay, in the Ring app, you're going to hit Setup Device. Click on Security Cams. Okay, it's going to want to know, is this indoors or outdoors? I'm going to do mine indoors. Into the house or through a window. Okay, they want to know that. And it's on battery power. Next, pick your Wi-Fi and give it your Wi-Fi password. If you already have a Ring account, and you do have to keep your phone close to the device, and my blue light is flashing.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Okay, click on your Wi-Fi again. If you already gave it your password, then it just starts connecting.
This may take several minutes.
Okay, so it's got an update to install. Okay, and then it says installing an update. Okay, that took about 5 minutes. Now, again, this does not move other than where you move it. So put it in the position you're going to want it, and then it will stay like that. It has a really wide angle of view as I move it, so we can see, really, that's a really clear picture too. Okay, so it has motion detection. You can have motion alerts, motion warning. It also has a siren. Okay, so the neat thing about this is you can set it up, you can have it so it'll sense motion in different areas. So if you have a sidewalk over here, or somebody walks into the room and you only want motion detected there, you can put that in the app. You can tell it where to sense the motion. And you can also do privacy. So if they show a picture of this looking out your window, and if you don't want to record the neighbor's house, you can put a privacy square around their house. That way you're not showing, it'll block off, it'll blur their house, but it'll show like the sidewalk in the front of your house. So lots of different things you can do. Again, you can speak to it through the app, you can listen, and it has that siren. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.